So I'm going to show you today in this video, it's about the PS5, is how to attach your stand on the bottom, because you do not want to actually install it like this because it can't get the cooling that it needs. Underneath these little bitty vents right here, so you definitely want to put your stand on it. You can also install your stand like this and pretty well have it sitting something like that, which I think looks awful. The looks of this is not the best anyway, so let's go ahead and just install this. Then we're going to take this stand, we're going to twist it. It's got a little screw in it right here. You can just take it out. It's complicated.
I think it looks the best laying down.
Just like so. Easy. Then we're going to take this right down here and attach it. After we remove this little bitty plug. And the plug can go right in here for safekeeping. Then you twist it. And then we attach this some way or another. Common sense, guys. Common sense tells us it goes right like this. Oh, that's a one-way. Amy should give me a four-way.
That's what she asked for.
So I went and got a one-way. You just need to tighten it up. You do not need one this big, and you do not want to over-snug it and over-tighten it. So let's just put this on. Tight enough. That's good. We are now attached. This is what it should look like on the back. So we're going to set this up. Now would be the time. Look at the fingerprints. Now would be the time, guys, to hook your power up. Now the power is internal. This is a PS4 power cable, and they look identical. $300 volt. You could technically, I don't recommend it, but is the ends the same? Sony's not changed the plug-in, so a PS4 plug-in would work. So we're just going to use the new one though. Plugs in right here. Want to make sure it's all the way in. You don't want to lose connection, because loose connections and electronics don't mix. Now you will hook up your HDMI cable. Now this is a 4K cable, but I'm actually going to use one of my ones here that I got quickly connected. I know my cable management is not the best, but I ain't run these through the wall yet. I will soon, guys. Just stay tuned. These is General Electric cables, and they should be good for 8K. Definitely 4K. And you can get them at Lowe's. So let's try them out and start this PS5 up for the first time in its life and see what we got. So, I'm going to turn it around here so you can see. Oh, we'll plug the internet up to it too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm playing some Red Dead Redemption 2 online on the PS5. So if you enjoyed this video on how to install your stand and hooking it up, let me know in the comment section if you got a PS5 or if you're still trying to get one, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe now. Mash that button.